So, all the student, today we are discussing one important topic, the integumentary system. So, in this topic, we are discuss about the main definition and main introduction of the integumentary system. So, what we are discuss, what is the function of the skin, and what is the structure of the skin. So, we are discuss each and everything about the this topic. So let us start about the topic. So firstly we are discuss the basic introduction about the integumentary system. So the integumentary system as an the organ, and so is an the alternative name for skin. So the integumentary system is including the skin, and skin is a derivative like a accessory structure like a hair, nails and gland. So the integumentary system is the largest system of the body, like 60% of a body weight, and 1.5 to 2 mm in the area of the skin. So the integumentary system is mainly made of a two part. First one is a cutaneous membrane, second one is the accessory structure. So the cutaneous membrane is divided into a two part. First one is the epidermis and second one is the dermis. So sensory structure like a hair, nail and exocrine gland. So mainly function of the integumentary system. First one is the protection, like the first line of the defense against like a bacteria, microorganism and virus. So protect underlying structure from like a ultraviolet radiation and dehydration and sensation and need for the calcium absorption. So body temperature is also regulated, and it is the main function of the integumentary system. Like if too hot, the dermis blood vessel is dilate. So vessel is carrying more blood to the surface. So if too cold, dermis blood vessel is contract and prevention from the heat and as well as the blood vessel. So excretion, so small amount of the wastage product are the lost through by the skin like excreted through by skin like a sweat. So structure of the skin. So firstly understanding how the skin can be function, and in there are many ways. So started with the understanding the skin of the three layer of skin like the epidermis, dermis and hypodermis. So firstly the dermis is like a vascular satisfy and epithelium tissue. So it is a mainly function of the nutrient and oxygen diffused from capillary in the dermis. So mainly cells of the epidermis like keratinocytes so contain a large amount of the keratin. So are the most abundant cell in the epidermis. So thin layer in the epidermis like a cover most of the body, and a thick layer is a cover of the palm of the hand and as well as soles of the feet. So next one is the structure of the epithelium. So they are also divided into a five part like a stratum basal, stratum spinosum, stratum granulosum and stratum like a coronum. So we will discuss each and everything about the epithelium tissue. So firstly start in stratum basal. So it is attached to the basement membrane by the hemodermosphere. So form of the strong bond between epidermis and dermis. So form in the epidermis region like a fingerprinting. So dermal capillary like a tin mount. So increasing in the area of the basement membrane. So like a stretchability attached between the epidermis and dermis. So some many basal cell like a germinative cell also including in the epithelium tissue like a stratum basement. Oh, next one is the stratum spinosum, like it is the layer. So it produced by the division of the stratum basal. So 8 of 10 layer of the keratinocyte is bounded by the dermosomes. So some cells is shrink until in the cytokeratins and out of the outer of the spina and containing to the divider, increasing the thickness of the epithelium tissue. So it is contains also in the cell and active in the immune response. So next one is the dermis layer, the skin structure of the dermis layer located between the epidermis and subcutaneous layer. So epidermis is a sensory structure like a hair, sweat gland. So the two components mainly outer in the capillary layer, deeper in the rectangular layer. So these are the two components. First one is the outer like a capillary layer, deeper in the rectangular layer. So skin structure like a epidermis is the main difference between the capillary layer and rectangular layer. Firstly, we are discuss about the capillary layer. So the capillary consists of the aerosol tissue like a areolar tissue. So contain in a similar capillary like a epithelium and sensory nerve. So has in a dermal capillary protect between the dermal rigidance. So next one is the rectangular layer. So consists of the dense in regulate the connective tissue. So as well as the containing a large blood vessel like a epithelium vessel and nerve fiber. So it also containing in the elastic fiber and connective tissue in properly working. So firstly, how do a function of the epidermis, how to protect the skin and how to protect the cell. Firstly, and the inflammation of the capillary layer caused by the firstly infection, irritation and mechanical irritation and as well as the chemically like a poison. So character by the itching of pain. So characteristic like of the dermis like a strong due to a collection of the fiber, elastic due to elastic fiber and flexibility. It can be provided to the body. So next one is the hypodermis. So mainly the hypodermis is also the subcutaneous layer. Lies between in the integumentary system, stabilizes the skin and allow to separate movement like a made of the elastic and adipose tissue. So it can be mainly connected to the rectangle layer and of the integumentary by the connective tissue fiber. So adipose side of the subcutaneous like a fat or distribution of the pattern of derm and determined by the hormones. It can be a regulation and it can be production of the hormones in the gland is a mainly function of the hypodermis layer. So it can be a regulate of the body function. So reduce of the lipostructures and lipocapillaries wall. So the structure of the hair like a hair in follicles like a hair follicles are the organs. So that form of the hair. So hair follicles are the organs that form of the hairs located in the deepest in the dermis layer. So produce the non-living hair like it can be produced with the help of the connective tissue. So base of the surrounding by the sensory nerve like a root hair is and as well as the protect from this microorganism but control of the bacterial. So next one is the sensory structure of the hair like a involuntary smooth muscle cause hair to stand up and produce and grows, and these are the main function of the skin. So the main function of the hair like a हेयर की मेन फंक्शन क्या है लाइक हेड को क्या करते हैं प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं यूवी रेडिएशन से एंड क्या अदरवाइज इज दी बॉडी हेयर क्या करते हैं सेंसरी डिटेक्शन कर लेते हैं एंड रूट हेयर क्या करते हैं सेंसरी नर्व एट द बेस ऑफ द हेयर इन द फॉलिक डेट डिटेक्ट इन स्लाइटली मूवमेंट ऑफ द हेयर. So these are the function of the hair.